All right, we got a Tao Tao quad here. Won't start. You can hear it clicking, so let's check our battery first. Get the power probe out. We can see that we got 13.6 volts. So the battery is charged. The battery is super good. So if we go down here to the start solenoid, go to this post here, and we see that we got 13.6 volts. That's from the battery positive, and this one goes to the starter. So Everett, you want to hit the start for us, and we can see if we hit it and hold it down. We can see that that's good, Everett. We can see that the start solenoid is sending voltage to the starter. So we got a bad starter. That's a quick diagnosis of this thing. And luckily, because this guy is from China and all the parts are Chinese, this starter, I believe, is like $17. Let's get the old wiring off before we unbolt the starter. There, now with the wire undone, then we can get on the other side and unbolt it. Alright, there's 3 bolts for us to get to, 8mm. All right, to disengage the old starter and get it out, I believe it's hooked to a starting chain up here. So we gotta take this cover off. Now remember, you're taking off some grounds on there, so be mindful of that. Hopefully, we can take this cover off enough without having to remove all this plastic, but we'll see. Yeah, we gotta take this plastic off. All right, there's that chain. That's gotta come off. Here you go. With a name like Extreme Amazing, you know it's gotta be from China. Like always, compare your new one with your old one. Looks like a perfect fit. sure you get your chain. There we go. All right. Remember to always start them by hand before you go with the Ugga Dugga gun, because we don't want to strip them out. Click. Click. Let's put our cover back on. Don't forget your ground screws that go there. These are different lengths. These are your two short ones here. One you can tell because it's oily. It goes down the bottom. We can zip tie all this back up together. Okay, before we put all the plastic back and spend that time, let's make sure she starts. Hey, she turns over. Do we have gas? So she sat all winter. Let's give it a little help. Hey!
It's not cool.
Cool.
That is cool. Really cool.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If your Tao Tao quad isn't starting, check your battery voltage. Check your start capacitor that's under, or start capacitor. Start your start solenoid.
Yeah.
If that's sending power to the starter and everything else is good, then your starter's bad. So,
Yeah.
thanks for watching, guys.